Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Today we are planning to discuss about exercise number 5, which is in your course handout. This exercise is all about the simple features, formatting features that we can use in Word. I will also answer few of the questions which are not available in this activity. If you can see this activity, you are going to first type the paragraph starting from here up to this one. You have to type this paragraph. Just you have to keep on typing the paragraph, just like you have to just type it like this from here to here. You have to type. That's the first thing that you have to do. You have to type from here up to this one in a new Word document. Okay, so it will take some time, but it is very important skill that you have to acquire if you want to become very good in Word applications. The typing speed and accuracy of your typing are very important skills that needs to be enhanced if you really want to do better with your Word applications. So now you can see here, this is our paragraph which you have to type. So I expect you have to type it in the next class so that then you can do it by yourself. So now I assume, see, I already typed it or I copied it, but you should not copy it. Please try to type it. Why? Because only when you type, see, whenever there is a problem like this, it means there is a problem with the space. Can you see now? It is only because of what? Space. And Baiza, because it's not an English word, so it is actually showing expensive. Okay, because it's all about space and other things. Okay, can you see now here? Like this. Now it's all about space, nothing else. It's nothing to worry about it. Okay, see now all these are some, wherever there is a mistake, wherever you can change, you can change. Now this paragraph is ready. But you see, there is one thing before I start. You see that it looks very odd for me, like it is zigzag. I don't want it to look like this in a zigzag fashion. What I do, you see here, I go to home ribbon. In the home ribbon, I have a tab. In paragraph tab, you have a button called justify. Click on this justify. Home ribbon, paragraph tab, and you have justify. So you will see that the text will become proper. Now the first part of the activity is ready. That means we have typed the paragraph. Now this is the second part of the activity which I am going to explain to you. Now we are going to read and I am going to show how to do this one. Now I am going to answer this one. Specify the sentence from it cost only as a separate paragraph. I want to make this starting from here as a separate paragraph. So I go to Word document. Where is it? Okay, I am just trying to see where is it. It costs only. Can you see here? Click the cursor there. Click the cursor here, because from here I want to make a new paragraph. Click here. Then press enter button. That's it. It's a new paragraph. For making a paragraph, you see it is how to make a paragraph. Click the tab button in the keyboard. Tab button. It will become a paragraph. One time you press tab button, it will become a paragraph. Even this is not a paragraph. Keep the mouse cursor here, pointer here. Then what you have to do? Click the tab button. When you click the tab button, it will become a paragraph. Now you see here, my text has been made into 2 paragraphs as I require. So now it is done. Save the changes made in your file, and I want to save the file as second.doc, document. See, now I don't want to talk about first and second. Okay, just I'm going to save the file. See, if you look at this one, all these are about saving the file only. These 3 are about saving the file. It's very simple. File, save as. I am saving in this PC. I am saving in desktop. I am saving it as exercise 5. Exercise 5. Okay, exercise 5, and just I want to save. Okay, I want to replace it because already there is a file with the same name. You can replace it. Okay, if you don't want to replace it, give another name and save it. Now I want to explain these things. So this saving the file, close the file, open the file, it's all known to you, no need to worry. Okay, split the screen into two horizontally. Split the screen. Split means what? Divide the screen into two horizontally. There are two directions, you know, one is horizontal direction, the other one is vertical directions. So now I want to split the screen into two horizontally. That's my plan. So to do this one, what I do is that I just go to the view. I have to find where is it. Okay, the split. Okay, you will see here split. Can you see here in the view ribbon? Where is it? In the view ribbon. Note it down. View ribbon. You have something called split. You know what is split? It splits the page into two parts. Can you see now? Wherever you keep the pointer, it will be divided into two parts. I wanted to divide it into two parts, like two divisions. One page is divided into two. So this is called split. Now if you remove, it becomes one. Like for example, if I want to remove the page into, if I don't want to divide the page, I will remove the split. See, there are two buttons. One is split. If you give split, it will become two parts. Can you see now here? Okay, like this. And this is another part. Can you see it is divided into two parts? The page is divided into two parts. But if you click on this button, remove split, it will become a normal page. Sometimes the page is too long, you want to scroll easily, you can use this feature. Now you can see here, you know, split the screen. Also I also teach you how to remove the split. I also teach you how to remove the split. I also teach you how to remove the split. Okay, one is remove the split and the other one is how to split. There are two things. Okay, one is remove the split and the other one is remove the split and the other one is to split the screen. Now I am going to tell you how to zoom the text. How to zoom the text into second half of its normal size. That will be my next thing that I am going to teach you. So these two are clear for you, how to make a split and how to remove the split. Now I am going to teach you how to zoom the text. Okay, how to zoom the text. Now I go to the word, very simple, there is view ribbon. In the view ribbon, you have the zoom. Okay, and you can see here, you can make it like 50%, percentage is here, 99, or you can just type here 50 and give OK. The zoom will change. Zoom is nothing but like you can magnify and demagnify. Now if you give 200%, you see what will happen. It will become so big. Zoom. Sometimes you want to read it very clearly, you can zoom it to see it more clearly. Zoom 100%. This is normal. So I hope even this one is clear for you. Zoom is clear for you, I think. Now no issue. Now I am going to explain this one. Select the last paragraph of the document and move it to the beginning of the document. See, what is this? I have to select the last paragraph and move it to the beginning of the document. How to do it? Simple, cut and paste. Go to Word. This is the last paragraph. Right click, cut. Use cut, and then you go to the, you just use enter, then right click, paste. You can use this one or this one. Paste text only means only text. You want to keep the formatting also, you have to choose this one, formatting. So I have moved the second paragraph as the first paragraph. I hope it's clear until now for you. It is not an issue until now. Now we are going to create the first line indent for the complete document. This is very important to know what is indent and what is margin. Let us try to see it here. You can see here, this is called ruler. This is called ruler. You know, in every Word document you have a ruler in the top. Why do we have a ruler? The ruler is actually helping us to find out, to define the boundaries of the text in a Word document. For example, I want to define my limits in a particular fashion. I have to decide it according to my requirement. Now you see here, this is what? From 1, this is, can you see here? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, this is what? It is inch, or this is not inch. It is the units, okay? Now you can see here. You can see here, first line indent. This one, which I am keeping here, is the first line indent. And this one is called the left indent. Okay, left indent, and this is called hanging indent. See, there are 3 indent. Now I want to change the first line indent for the whole paragraph, for the whole document like this. Can you see here? First line. So that means what? I have to select this one, and then I will go here. Okay, I am changing the first line. Can you see now here? The first line of the paragraph will change. The first line of the paragraph will change. This is called first line. Now this is 1. Can you see? This is 1. I keep it in 1. If the question, if it is going to come as 0.5, between 0 and like this. Can you see? This is 0.5. This is 1. This is 1.5. So you can move it according to the question that is asked to you. Like for example, 0.5. In the question it is asked 0.5. So now it is 1.5. 1. This is the one which you have to choose, 0.5. I hope it's clear. Now I would like to go to the next one, which is nothing but set the line spacing to double and change the case to uppercase. See, I want to change the line spacing to double and change to uppercase for the last paragraph. There are 2 parts in this question. Okay, set the line spacing. Now what I do for the second paragraph, for all the paragraphs. Now I select the whole 2 paragraphs. I go to home ribbon. If you can see here, there is line and paragraph spacing. Line and paragraph spacing. Open it. Line and paragraph spacing. And you can choose 2. 2 means 2. See, sometimes you don't see this drop down menu in the video because it is not shown clearly. Don't worry about it, but you have to listen to what I said. Go to line spacing, which is in the paragraph tab of the home screen, home ribbon. Open it and you choose number 2. You see the space between the lines has increased now. I hope it's clear for you until now. Now let's go for the next one. The next one which I wanted to do is, I want to change the uppercase for the last. I want to change the text into uppercase for the last paragraph. You see, this is the last paragraph. For example, I choose this paragraph. Again, I go to home. I go to font tab. I go to font tab. Then you see here, I have an option called change case. I have an option called change case. I open the change case. I choose uppercase. Now everything becomes upper, capital. It becomes capital. Okay, now I have to save the file. Already I saved it. Just press the button, save. First time only you have to use save as. Next time you just use the button, save. Now these things you know already, how to make bold, highlight, underline, you know very well. And you know how to add header and footer. Okay, header and footer, and save the exercise. How to add header and footer? Very simple. I will show you now. You will use insert ribbon. You will have header. In the header, whatever you want to type, you can type here. Like for example, exercise 5. This is what I type as header. I go to footer, I type here made by, I write here fall 2020-21 like this. So you see, this is footer, this is header. How to get it? Go to insert ribbon and you have the tab called, you have a button called header and footer. Choose that one, it will automatically come. Type it, and once you type this one, header and footer, for example, you see here there's a button here, close header and footer. You have to close. So now you see here, you know how to add header, you know how to add footer, you know the saving the change, bold, highlight, underline, already explained to you before. Save the file and that's it. You have to upload in Moodle. This one no need to upload. You will do exercise number 6 and exercise number 7, which is homework based on this activity. If you have any more questions, you are welcome to ask during the class. Thank you and see you.